Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I'm trying to take a sell right here, but I'm a little nervous on this sell, to be honest. It's basically because of this engulfing pattern needing retracement. Also, this is a ranging market for us, and it hasn't touched the demand area yet, so I'm assuming that the markets will come down like this. That's why I thought the direction of the market is gonna go down, and I go with the sellers right here. We have also the round number here acting like a resistance. As long as we haven't touched this area, market will not try to go up. That's why I go with the sellers right here. All right, for the next candle, I will try to have a 5-second confirmation. Okay, we got it. I go with the buyers right now. Oh my god, this gap up might mess this up, but that's totally fine. I'm expecting a green candle here. I will also look at other pairs to see. And the bad thing about this is we have uptrend, and if we lose this, it's because of this gap up, and our trade is in the direction of the trend. I'm still expecting a green candle, but our entry is a little bit late. We could take a very good margin of safety trade on this one. Yeah, the gap down is really trying so hard. Okay, that was a winning trade. And now, market will try to give us a retracement and then eventually go up. It really depends what the decision is. It can create a decision point right here and try to go up to the next supply. Let me just mark the supply and demand. So this is the demand area. If market touches here, we'll decide if it's gonna break and go up. And this is the supply area, and the market is right at the middle now, and this is the range that we were taking our trades. If you're taking red-green patterns or color patterns, you need to make sure that you are in a ranging market like this. Okay, now the market is trying to reach to this demand area. This is not a proper doji, otherwise I would take a buy. Since it's risky, I go with only 200. No, I don't, because let me just see the market movement. Okay, I go with the buyers, only 200. I was looking for a 5-second confirmation. So here we got the outside bar. We broke this spinning candle. Spinning candle is so similar to dojis, and there's a chance of getting retracement after breaking them. And also, this is a demand area, and here market will decide if it's going to break and go up, or if it's going to have a small reaction and then break and go down. If it breaks and goes down, if we break a demand and go down, it becomes somewhere that the market decided to break. So next time price will react from the demand which is broken. If it doesn't react and broken, if it doesn't react and be broken, market will try to go to the next supply. So here we have this little small supply right at the middle of this range, which market is reacting from. After this supply being broken, it will have a retracement from the supply, turn this to a demand, and then it will try to go to the next supply. And then market will decide if it's trying to keep going inside of a range, or it's going to have a small reaction and breakout, retracement, and then go up. It's going to decide that. We don't know that yet. For now, we still stuck in this supply area, and we will wait to see what the market is trying to do. Okay, so we have a potential sell setup right here, a third touch breakout. We created this higher high, but now the price is coming from a demand area and potentially upward movement. We just need to wait and see what's going on. We could have a common point of rejection trade right on this candle right here, because we are in a ranging market and we have big rejections on every single candle. So we could draw a common line between all the rejections. You see, I don't draw like this. I don't draw like this. I want to have the most touches from these rejections. And then we enter right here. I didn't take this because it broke it. If it wasn't breaking it, if it was closing down here, the next candle would be takeable right here. Otherwise, it would be risky. All right, so now it's reacting from the supply. It's coming down again. We got this gap up in the favor of sellers. Okay, the market's trying to do this right here. Next demand area will be down here. In case market decides to break it, okay, it will try to do something like this, just like this, and then create something, some QM or something, retrace and keep going up. Okay, so now the market's direction is not really clear for me, at least. I don't know what is it trying to do. I have to wait for this range to be broken from the upside or downside. So we're not gonna spend more time on this chart. Let's just move forward and see what's going on. Okay, this is supply. All right. These are the fair value gaps I'm testing. I've started to test that in binary option. All right. If you want to use the free 100% bonus codes for your deposit, just join the Telegram channel. There will be bonus codes on every Wednesday. I also share my students' results in Telegram channel and mentorship announcements. So if you're interested, use the first link in the description to join the channel. Okay, I take a sell right here. The market is still struggling inside of this range. It hasn't break the range yet, and we see strong rejection from the sellers. This is some kind of inverted hammer, sign of reversal, closing on a resistance area. That's why I go with the sellers right here, because we're still in the range, and it doesn't make sense if we go with the buyers right here. So we're still inside the range, and we just need to wait and see what the market is trying to do. Let me just see. Oh, there was, if it comes up right here, I will take a trade. Come on. That would be best entry if the market was coming up to this line and then boom, it will drop like crazy because of common point of rejection. All right, now there's no opportunity. I just need to wait because we might have big green candle and we can also drop. Okay, I go with the buyers. This is a very bad and late entry, man. Oh my god. We got this gap down as a confirmation. We are at the support area. And we also have market sequence. We can expect this kind of candle right here. I hope we don't lose this because of bad entry. Because we got the, 5-second confirmation. That's why the entry was pretty bad. All right. Let's see. Okay. I'm just going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Do not miss the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.